Starting a new business is exhilarating, but managing the money can feel overwhelming. Qonto is here to simplify that. But who exactly is it for? Qonto is a business account that's designed to meet the financial needs of a wide range of professionals, from independent freelancers and sole traders to small and medium-sized enterprises with multiple employees. If you're a freelancer or a sole proprietor, Qonto offers simple plans that let you separate your business and personal finances. You get a dedicated business account with a unique IBAN, a business MasterCard, and tools to help you with invoicing and expense management. You can easily track your transactions in real time and even give your accountant read-only access to your account to simplify bookkeeping. It's all about making your life easier so you can focus on your work. For startups and SMEs with a team, Qonto scales with you. You can create multiple accounts and give each team member their own physical or virtual cards with customized spending limits. This gives you total control and visibility over your company's finances. Qonto also provides advanced features like multi-level approval workflows for expenses, automated bookkeeping tools, and integrations with popular accounting software. This helps you streamline your financial operations and saves your team a ton of time on admin. So, whether you're a one-person operation just starting out or a growing company with a team to manage, Qonto has plans and tools designed to help you handle your business finances with ease. It's built to simplify your financial life, so you can spend less time on paperwork and more time on what matters, growing your business.